In this video, let us solve the maximum and minimum value questions listed below. Please give it a try yourself and then you can come back and watch the solution. So let's start the first one now. So in the first question, the function is of format a sin x plus b cos x. So this is the format currently, or a cos x plus b sin x. It does not matter because a and b are constants. So we have to express this equation in the format of either sine only, or another attempt is to express this equation in cosine only format. So let's try the first ask here to express it in the format of sine only. So what we can do is, so we have square root of 3 sin x plus cos x. This is f of x. Now to apply any trigonometric function of sine, let's observe what we can do here. So we know that sine pi by 3 or sine 60 is square root of 3 by 2. So if you multiply and divide this equation with 2, then we can apply the values of trigonometric functions at different angles. So what we'll do is 2 multiplied by square root of 3 by 2 sin x plus 1 by 2 multiplied by cos x. So this can be changed to 2 times. Now square root of 3 by 2 can be written as cos pi by 6, and this will be sin x, and 1 by 2 can be written as sin pi by 6 multiplied by cos x. So this is nothing but 2 times sine of x plus pi by 6. So the first requirement is fulfilled now. So we have changed the expression to sine only format. Now what we can do is, the same function we had square root of 3 times sin x plus cos x. Let's multiply and divide by 2. So this will be square root of 3 by 2 sin x plus 1 by 2 cos x. Now square root of 3 by 2 can also be considered as sine of pi by 3. So this we will write it as sine of pi by 3 multiplied by sin x, and 1 by 2 can be considered as cos of pi by 3 multiplied by cos x. So this will be 2 times x. So how can we express this? So this will be cos of x minus pi by 3, correct? Because cos of a minus b is CosA.CosB plus SinA.SinB. So this is f of x only in the cosine format. So this is how we can solve the first question. Now let's try the second one. So in the second question, we have to find the sine of the expression sin 100 plus cos 100. So when we are asked such a question, we have to reduce this expression to either sine or cosine format, so that when we reduce it to one of the trigonometric functions format, that's when we can actually understand what the sign of that expression is. So we can rewrite this function as, so let's write the question. So we have sine 100 degrees plus cos of 100 degrees. So let's multiply and divide this function with square root of 1 by 2. So this will be multiplied by sine 100 plus 1 by square root of 2 multiplied by cos of 100 degrees. Now square root of 1 by 2 can be written as sine 45 here, and this can be written as cos 45. So this would be square root of 2 times cos 45 degree multiplied by sine 100 degrees plus sine 45 degrees multiplied by cos 100 degrees. So this will be nothing but square root of 2 times sine of a plus b, which is 100 plus 45 degrees. So this will be square root of 2 times sine 145 degrees. So now f of x is square root of 2 times sine 145 degree. Now 145 sine 145 is second quadrant, and in second quadrant sine is positive. So f of x is a positive value. So sine of this expression is always positive. So this is how we can solve questions related to sine of a trigonometric expression. Now let's try one more question similar to this. Let's attempt the third one now. In the third one, we have to find the sine of the expression sine of 100 degrees minus sine of 10 degrees. So f of x is sine of 100 degrees minus sine of 10 degrees. So let's apply the same logic, multiply and divide by square root of 2 so that we can change it to 45 degrees expressions. So this will be 1 by square root of 2 multiplied by sine 100 degrees minus 1 by square root of 2 multiplied by sine 10 degrees. So this will be square root of 2 multiplied by, let's consider this as cos 45 multiplied by sine 100 degrees. So sine 100 degrees, what we will do is, just to break it down, we don't know the value of sine 100 degrees, right? We are not familiar with that. So what we'll do is we'll break it down to sine 90 plus 10 degrees. And the next part, we will write it as sine of 45 degrees multiplied by sine 10 degrees. So sine of pi by 2 plus 10 is cos 10 degrees, correct? We'll have learned that sine of pi by 2 plus x is cos x. So this, we have learned this in the chapter trigonometric functions. Please refer to that playlist and you will understand better. So this will be square root of 2 multiplied by cos 45 degrees cos 10 degrees minus sine 45 degrees sine 10 degrees. Now if you observe this, this is of format cos of a plus b, correct? So this will be square root of 2 multiplied by cos of 55 degrees, and cos 55 is in first quadrant where it is positive. So f of x is positive. So this is how we can solve questions related to the sine of trigonometric expressions. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this with your friends so that it will help them too. And I'll see you in the next video.